Okay guys, so the first step is put your collar up and then put the tie around your neck. See? Around your neck. I keep the long end in my right hand because I am right-handed, and then the short end in my left hand. The first step is cross them over. See, like that. Switch and switch hand like so, and then take this end, long end, and I stick it up behind through this little hole, then I pull it all the way down. See? Now I don't switch my hand. I keep it on the same side. This time we put it on around the back. We don't go through we did last time. We put it on around back and then switch hand right here. See? Put it up through in front of that hole between the necktie and your neck. In front of. Yes. If you've done it correctly, what you have here is the inside of your knot. Is it a triangle shape? The last step is to put a cover on the inside of your knot. Push this around all the way, and then push it up through the hole between your neck and the tie. Push it up. Once we pull this through, we're going to stick it through this little tunnel. See? The tunnel. So you push it up and pull it through, and wait a minute, this little tunnel that you have created. Keep the small end in the back, and you kind of tight in and pull it like so. You can shape your knot however you want, and you can pay it till you get the tie just how you want it. Tie it up, pull your collar down, and voila.